Have you ever been forced to follow a leader because of their title, but you had no idea where they were taking you or the team? Have you ever experienced the opposite, where someone doesn't have a title, but you'll follow them wherever they take you because their vision is crystal clear and you know exactly where they're taking you? You've probably felt both ends of those spectrums at this point in your career, but the real question is where would your staff put you? A or B? Every visionary leader can fulfill and launch their vision with these three key ideas. Welcome to PBL Simplified for Leaders, where we help you take your vision off the page and move it into your school. I'll distill leadership topics from education, business, and sports so that you can be the leader your building needs you to be. Today, we're talking about launching your vision. Every visionary leader can launch their vision with three ideas in mind. The first idea is that everybody wants to be part of something bigger than themselves. Yes, I've got my little area of responsibility. Yes, I've got my classroom and I'm fired up about it. And I have my own educational why as a teacher, but also teachers want to be a part of a bigger vision. And that's where you come into play. And anytime I start thinking about vision, I remember the story of JFK in 1962 walking through NASA. He's walking through to see how we're going to do, and he sees the janitor. And he comes up to the janitor and says, "What is it that you do here at NASA?" Sweep, sweep, sweep. "I'm putting a man on the moon, sir." "Wait a minute, I thought you were sweeping up garbage." Like, no, he's a part of a bigger vision, right? He's putting a man on the moon. This is his little piece of that. We all want to be a part of something bigger than ourselves. The second idea that will help you launch your vision is to realize that that's your job. You want to be a visionary leader, not a managing leader. See, a managing leader is there just to have as little conflict as possible, get through the day, get through the week, get through the year, and then start over again. But you're not just trying to manage conflict. Like, there are things you need to manage. There are schedules, there are people, but you want to be a visionary leader. In order to be a visionary leader, you need to have a vision. So the first thing is get it down on paper, so then we can get off the paper and launch it into your school. So the second big idea is to take responsibility of this. It is, in fact, your job as a visionary leader to bring that vision. It doesn't happen on its own. The third main idea in launching your vision is launch it now. When's the best time to launch your vision? The same as the best time to plant a tree. When's the best time to plant a tree? 20 years ago. When's the second best time to plant a tree? Today. So when do you launch your vision? Now, if it's the middle of second semester and it's like the end of April, early May, and it's Wednesday, then maybe not now, right? But you need to. Like, don't wait until your vision's perfect in order to launch it. Beginning of the year, semester, 9 weeks, like, take some time to get it down, run it by those people that you know, love and trust, and then launch that thing. It will not be perfect. But again, people want to be a part of something bigger than themselves. This is your job, probably your main job, and you need to launch it out there. Because once you get it out there, now you can start to course correct and you can get to where you need to be. Every great visionary leader launches their vision, and you can do it too. Thank you for watching this PBL Simplified for Leaders video. This is a part of a larger series, so make sure that you hit subscribe. And then you're going to want to share this with a friend. Like, if you're going to be a visionary leader and you're on this trajectory with me, which you are going to be a visionary leader as you watch these videos, we're going to help train you. We're going to bring you the right resources. Part of that is being a generous leader. So start to build that reputation that you share really great resources. Share this with someone and then start to go through the ideas. Say, yes, I agree with Ryan here. No, I don't agree with Ryan here. You don't have to agree with everything, but I'm telling you, it's going to put you on the path to where you want to be. So hit subscribe so you get all of these, and make sure that you start to share them so you can build a cohort of visionary leaders just like yourself. As you do that, you'll start to engage your learners, tackle boredom, and transform your classrooms. Go lead inspired.